I'm officially here in Spain. My flight arrived at like 7:30 this morning, so my hotel room's not ready. And I had a little coffee, hung out in the lobby for a little bit, and then I decided to go out and see some art. So we're going to the Center Pompidou, which is over here. Let's go. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a visual artist. I specialize in bright, bold, colorful abstracts that spark joy, whether that's through painting, ceramics, or public art. And on this channel, I like to take you with me on my artistic journey. So we work on projects in my studio, we go out to see art exhibits, I buy art supplies and share my hauls with you, artist tips whenever I may have them, so just basically any art-related content. And if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It's one free click for you, but makes a big, big difference for my channel. Big. So think about it. All right, we are in Spain. I arrived yesterday morning and I was very jet lagged, but I couldn't check into my hotel. So I wandered around Malaga. I went to the Pompidou, which is like the sister version of the one in Paris. And then Maria met me, who just walked into the room. You guys remember Maria. So yeah, we're both in Spain and we're going to make our way over to Torrox, which is where we're going to have a mini residency and we'll just be working on creative projects there. Enjoying.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, it's enjoying time. I use the word vacation. She uses the word residency. So it's a vacay residency.
It's a residency. We're here to work and creatively refuel.
That's what we'll be doing. And I'll be taking along on that journey. So yeah, today we head over there. So all our stuff is packed. I mean, yeah, we just stayed in Malaga for the night because like I said, I arrived first thing yesterday. She arrived in the evening and we were just completely shattered from all the travel. So today we're going to check out and make our way over there, but we have a little bit of time before checking out. So I think we're going to go see if we can check out an art museum. So let's go. All right, friends, we have made it to Torrox, and I have to show you where we're staying. So this is where we came in from. When you come in, you have a living room space right here with some lovely air conditioning. There's a Maria. Hi. Yeah, the windows were open, but we closed the shades because it is currently siesta. So we are chilling in the air conditioning. And to the right is one of the kitchens. Pretty. Cute though, right? Here you go. You can get another view outside, out the window here. Love the green tiles. All the colors are pretty. They left us a bag of crisps. Shout out to them for that. And then this is just a small bathroom down here, which is great. So it's not like we have to wander upstairs every time we need the loo. And then we're gonna go up to the second floor. So to the left is like an office space here with a nice day bed, lots of books, if that is your thing. I'm here. Once again, there's a view, but keeping the shades closed because it's the warmest part of the day. And then in here, there's the bathroom, shower, which is nice. And then this is my room here with my suitcase. Nice fan going. I'm a huge fan of the fans. Little writing desk area. And then plenty of closet space. So since we're gonna be here for the next 10 days, I'm gonna unpack, get everything into there. And then there's a small balcony out this way. And then Maria's room is over here. This is a cushion to go outside. We just haven't dragged it upstairs yet. So Maria has a choice of 2 beds or just pushing them together to make one big bed, but similar format. And then, what would you call it? The piece de resistance? I don't know what that is in Spanish.
Truly the thing that sold us on this place. 100%.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hot.
Hot on the tootsies.
Try to step on
the shady part.
The shady parts.
Actually feels pretty good on my feet. Look at this view. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at it? Look at it. My God. My God. I'm speechless.
I'm so excited.
So this will be breakfast.
Yes.
And then dinner. Or actually, art making is going to be up here. This is the second kitchen, which is an outdoor kitchen.
Outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower.
Mm-hmm.
Some beach chairs. So this part in the shade is where we will be making art for the next week and some change. Did you hear that? It's silence, which is what I like. I know. How cool is this outdoor kitchen? Tea. Mint. I had asked Maria to bring mint tea all the way from Canada, and it's literally everywhere. I was like, I don't know if I'll be able to get mint tea. It's actually the most prevalent tea we've seen. This is insane, though. We're so incredibly happy and grateful we get the opportunity to do this. So we're going to siesta a bit, and then we're going to wander down into the town, which is down that way, and see what we can find in terms of some food at the markets and such. And yeah, just wanted to give you a quick overview of the space. So see you guys later.
Hacia la felicidad, como una luz fugaz, un instante que se va, que se va. Trato siempre de pensar.
This is the calm before the storm, meaning the World Cup storm, which the square I imagine is going to be filled. They're all getting their TVs set up at all the bars and restaurants, so this place will be popping later. Of course, we're hungry during siesta and we found one place that's open, but yeah, later it's going to be busy, I imagine, so we'll see.